I know fussy hair can be a lot of work. It can be difficult to manage. It can sometimes be dry and brittle. If your hair is breaking off because you cannot manage it because of the texture, that is because you've not mastered your technique. Well, in this video, I'll be telling you one thing I did that changed my hair for good. One thing that made my hair very soft to manage. One thing that will grow your hair and make it more manageable. Was once a time where I cannot even comb my hair. I will go 1 month without combing my hair because each time I think of combing my hair, it is stress, and each time I manage to comb it, I always end up packing my hair from the ground. And this is a very sad situation because you cannot use 1 year to grow out an inch of your hair, and then under a day or under some second you're already packing them on the ground. I understand you. I am about to tell you something you will start doing. If you start doing this thing is going to change your hair. Your hair is going to be more manageable. So I started doing this thing, my hair has changed, my hair has become manageable. Before I tell you what this thing I started doing that changed my hair from brittle, hard to soft, to manageable right now, I need you to do 2 things for me. And what is that? I need you to stay consistent to your hair routine, because it is only when you stay consistent that you'll be able to reap the fruit of your labor. And the second is, watch this video to the end. Make sure you watch the video to the end, okay? So without further ado, let's dive in. So what is this thing that I started doing? Let me tell you. I started doing deep conditioning. I started conditioning my hair. The first time I did this deep conditioner, I didn't know that I had a coil pattern. I didn't even know that my hair had a coil pattern because I am so used to my hair just standing. When I comb it, to just stand. The first day I did deep conditioner, I saw that I had a coil pattern. Oh my god. It was as if this is what my hair has been waiting for years. I finally gave it the life that it wanted. It's as if my hair just came alive. My hair had never passed my shoulder length all my life. But once I started deep conditioning, that was the point my hair started to grow. The reason why I noticed that my hair has started to grow is because I was losing less hair. My hair was breaking less. My hair became manageable. When my hair became manageable, I was able to comb it. I was able to manage my hair more, and I was losing less hair. That is why I was retaining more length. I think I can now say that I have found something that works for me, a DIY deep conditioner that works very well for my hair. And this consists of rice, banana, honey, and olive oil. I mix everything together and apply it on my hair, and I get the coils back. I'm going to show you. I'm going to insert it. You're going to see the video of when I made it and how I applied it to get the coils back. Oh my god, my hair was so soft after I applied this thing. Just look at this, the ultimate DIY deep conditioner, the game changer. This DIY conditioner softened my hair, moisturized my hair, made my hair more manageable. I have never seen my hair this soft. I have never been able to finger detangle my hair as quick as and easy as I did it while on this deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is something anyone with fussy hair should try out. I tell you, this conditioner is the deal. So, and another thing I started using for my hair to make it manageable was flaxseed. Yes, flaxseed is very good for detangler. Flaxseed is wonderful. If you haven't started using it, start using flaxseed. Ever since I started incorporating flaxseed to my hair routine, my hair breaks less. I retain more length. That is because flaxseed helps me to detangle my hair and also moisturize, traps moisture into my hair. Once I started using this deep conditioner, my hair became more manageable. My hair became soft. Like I said before, I think I've said this thing in one of my videos. When I was transitioning from relaxed to natural hair, I didn't cut off my hair. I did not cut off my hair. This is the deep conditioner I started using that reverts my hair. This thing will repair your damaged ends. It will repair your hair. It will improve elasticity of your hair. This deep conditioner will restore moisture into your hair and make your hair more manageable. So if you're out there stressing about how hard it is to manage your natural hair, try out DIY deep conditioner. Try out this recipe I tried out. It could work for you, but if it does not work for you, you can look out for store-bought products that contains all these ingredients. Just that it takes a lot of trials and error. You have to try one or two to know which one works better for your hair type. So I hope you learned one or two in this video. Thank you for sticking by. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.